What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? XRP JD, and it is Friday. Man, it has seemed like such a long week, but hey, listen, y'all, we finally got to Friday, man. That weekend. So I know everybody is relieved. Let me just say real quick that this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Please invest at your own risk and be safe in this market, okay? I hope everyone has had a productive week and we are all excited for the weekend. I know I am. I plan on just chilling, watching some college basketball. Luckily, I don't have to spend my whole weekend in the gym this weekend. My daughter doesn't have a tournament or anything. So I'm just going to hang out at the crib, y'all, and just watch some college basketball. We got March Madness starting. So excited for some good college basketball, man. Um, Tell me what your favorite team is. Like, who's watching the tournament? Let me know in the comments if you're watching the tournament and who is your favorite team. Who you gonna be rooting for? Now, XRP is a commodity, y'all. Officially, XRP, along with other digital assets, has been named as commodities by the CFTC along in partnership with the SEC. Now, I'm not just telling y'all this. I got this here to show y'all. This is from Forbes. So this is posted on Forbes. And let's just dive into it and see what it says about the new digital commodities. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, issued a joint interpretation on March 17th that provides long sought clarity on how federal securities and commodity laws apply to crypto assets. The move, announced at the DC Blockchain Summit in Washington, marks a significant shift in the regulatory approach to digital assets. SEC Chairman Paul S. Atkins described the interpretation as a key step toward greater certainty. After more than a decade of uncertainty, this interpretation will provide market participants with a clear understanding of how the Commission treats crypto assets under federal securities laws. This is what regulatory agencies are supposed to do: draw clear lines in clear terms, Atkins said. As we continue, the CFTC joined the SEC in the interpretation to align guidance under the Commodity Exchange Act. CFTC Chairman Michael S. Seelig stated, "For far too long, American builders, innovators, and entrepreneurs have awaited clear guidance on the status of crypto assets under the federal securities laws and Commodity Exchange Act. With today's interpretation, the wait is over. Chairman and I are committed to fostering a regulatory environment that allows the crypto industry to flourish under the United States with clear and rational rules of the road. Today's joint agency action reflects a shared commitment to developing workable, harmonized regulations for the new frontier of finance." Y'all, did you hear that last part? Harmonized regulations for the new frontier of finance. They telling you right there. Frontier of finance. They telling you what's coming. They have labeled these certain crypto assets as commodities for a reason. This is the shift that we've been talking about. This is the shift that we've been waiting on. This is the shift that we have been living through. Now, let's get to what those commodities are, those crypto asset, what those commodities are. So I don't have any clips from my favorite influencers today, but I did want to bring y'all this article from Forbes, and I also have another gift for you. So let's pull that up. So, so here's our list. Here's our list. The SEC and CFTC have classified 16 cryptocurrencies as digital commodities, which includes Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH. These abbreviations are the abbreviations that you can find these. By the way, these abbreviations are the abbreviations that you can find these certain cryptocurrencies under when you search on exchanges. Okay. Solana, SOL, XRP, ADA, Doge, and 10 more tokens. This classification is a significant step in the regulatory landscape of digital assets, providing clarity and stability for investors and business involved in the crypto market. The full list and implications of this classification can be found in the detailed articles from the SEC and CFTC. And you can find this stuff on their websites. If you just go to the SEC website or the CFTC website, you can find these documents. This is public record, y'all. It's public record. I mean, it's right here under your noses. All you got to do is just sniff around a little bit. So, as you can see, and as I've been telling y'all, that this is inevitable. This is what's coming for our new financial system. And it's important that you at least understand the magnitude and the opportunity that is await here. I mean, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but this is the opportunity of our lifetime, y'all. They have labeled these digital assets as commodities. We got the Clarity Act getting ready to pass. I mean, they pretty much named some of them for you here. And then if we go back, right? If we go back to Forbes posted this, the whole rundown, look at the headline. SEC and CFTC deliver landmark crypto clarity, right? And that's the article that's the information we just went over. So, like I said before, y'all, major investment opportunity here. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please invest at your own risk and be safe. But if I was y'all, I would be out there scraping my extra coins together to wait on these dips and in this market and go ahead and get positioned. But with that, I just wanted to bring y'all those thoughts for the day. I hope everybody's well, and I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. And we're going to leave it right there to the next one.